Welcome to a tropical paradise like no other, where nature's beauty meets vibrant culture and adventure awaits around every corner. In this travel video, we invite you to join us on a journey to the heart of the South Pacific, the stunning island of Vitu Levu. Vita Levu, the largest of the Fijian islands, is a land of unparalleled natural wonders. From cascading waterfalls hidden within the lush rainforests to the vibrant color reefs teeming with marine life. So whether you seek tranquility on a secluded beach, cultural immersion, adrenaline-pumping adventures, or simply enjoying and relaxing, Vita Levu has something to offer everyone. Join us as we embark on an unforgettable journey through the enchanted island of Vita Levu. Pack your bags and let's explore the magic of Fiji together. Where are we, baby?
Bula bula. We're in Fiji. Bula bula.
Bula bula. Hey guys, we're in Fiji.
We're making a wide right in here.
We're going this way, baby.
No.
Oh, we can't go that way. Here, you're right. We go this way and we make a wide right.
Yeah.
Which are like lefts. And your blinkers are on the wrong side. So we just got here to Fiji this morning. We arrived at 5:30 in the morning, a direct flight from LA. Aboard
11 hours?
Yeah, 11 hours. We took Air Fiji. It was a decent enough flight. The flight crew was nice, but they have a new light fare which doesn't include your bags. And we didn't know, but your bags you had to buy each way, and they're $136 each way. So we're starting in the town of Nadi. And then we're gonna go check out the botanical garden here, and then we're not sure if we're gonna go to the hot springs, which are famous for their mud pools and their healing mud, or go take a ship and take a little day excursion to one of the small little islands before we drive over to Suva. So today might turn into 1 or 2 vlogs, depending on how much we get done.
And that is scaring me, because look at me, I'm in the passenger side and I have no control.
You mean you're on the driver's side?
I'm on the driver's side and I have no control. I have no wheels, no nothing, and I'm going close to the road. Oh my God. So Bula from Fiji, and I will take you in our adventure today. Botanical garden and in the mud pools or other islands.
All right, our first stop here in Fiji is the Garden of the Sleeping Giants. We got here a little early. It doesn't open until 9. It's 8. So we're just gonna hang out and wait for it to open. Might take a look around, see if there's anything else to do for an hour before it does. Yeah, it's, if I remember right, reading it said it's known for its orchids. And then right here in this same area is the mud pools and stuff.
But the road up to here was not really good.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a dirt road. But look, our little rental car got here no problem. So we're gonna hang out. We might take a nap in the car or something, and we're gonna go see the garden.
My thermal bath for 40 Fijian dollars, and I'm gonna have 1 hour massage.
This place here, it's a healing purposes as well for locals. Okay, they usually drink this water when you have a stomach ache. You have, if you can't eat nicely or properly, you can drink this water as well. It cleans off everything inside your stomach, but the only thing that you'll have diarrhea after that.
It's beautiful and fresh, clean pool.
Yes.
Let's go.
Like, we got to do this. So these are really nice natural pools. They were sort of started in World War II. U.S. soldiers were using them to relax and relax in, and when the soldiers left, the locals came in and turned it into this beautiful oasis. So he's taking us over to the spa, the thermal pool you can get into. The water's a little cooler. How cool? 70? 50?
This one will be
32 Celsius. So nice and hot. And then the healing mud is gonna rejuvenate you. That's what I need after a long flight. And the price is right. Getting to Fiji might be expensive, but to go check out the thermal pools was 40 Fijian dollars each, which is just under 20 US dollars. And then Chris is gonna get, you're gonna get the hour massage?
I'm gonna get the hour massage.
Which was 70 Fijian, or about 32 US, which, that's nice. You just gotta buy your ticket here. Here it is. Tifajik Mud pool and hot springs.
Oh, we find the mud.
All over your body. A thin, light layer as well, so it's fast drying. You can take off your shoes if you want to.
Oh my god.
Oh, that is muddy and icky.
You gonna put that on you?
Yeah, we're gonna put it on you too.
Did I? No. Did we pay for this? Oh shit.
Oh my god, that is... Come on, get over here.
No, you do it, you do it.
On,
you are doing a very good job. How long do you have to stay with this model?
10 to 15 minutes.
It's very good for you.
That's why I was saying a thin, light layer, so it's fast drying. This is a volcanic mud. It has minerals which is sulfur and magnesium, and potassium as well.
Magnesium, and all sorts of other minerals from the
Are you gonna put that on your face too?
If you want to look 10 years younger.
10 years. Takes 10 years off. Thin, light layer. This is gross mud. It reminds me of the Black Rock Desert.
Okay. You're doing a fabulous job.
It doesn't stink though, that's the good news.
That's why we take it out early morning. You feel it because the sulfur smells when it's still...
Yeah, the sulfur leaches out, yeah.
Yes.
Hey baby. Are you done filming me now?
You look fabulous.
Hey look, I got tan.
So I guess it's my turn to do that now. Let me see me with the model.
Here, give the camera there. It's muddy and warm at the bottom. Indeed.
Muddy and warm?
Muddy and warm.
No crocodiles.
No crocodiles. Maybe just some...
Maybe they are on Fiji time.
Oh, this is nice.
It's not that deep. Once you reach the rocks, it's all in the same level inside there.
Yeah, it's a little slippery, but this is nice. Nice, warm, cleaner water. This is nice. See, this is what's cool. If you're in the States, a natural hot spring like this would never be allowed because they would say, you know, because clearly this is too hot to stay in here for more than 10 or 15 minutes. And in the States, anything over 110 Fahrenheit, they won't allow.
Oh wow, it becomes hotter and hotter.
It's nice.
Wow, here is more.
All right, guys, this is the last pool of the day here. This is more like their concrete pool, swimming pool. And it is warm. It's probably 105 degrees or hotter. Thermal, all natural volcanic waters. And it is enjoyable.
Hey, Bula Bula. Savadamatiko.
So those are just a couple of the different greetings here in Fiji that Chris has been practicing.
I'm practicing in the hot water.
We're still
spring.
Here at the thermal hot springs. There are several of them to choose from. And we went to the, how do you say this hot spring? Tifajek. It's a really nice family owned. In fact, the whole family's working on improving it and building up new locker rooms. And they have a massage building here. And it's just a really nice place to come relax. The thermal pools are all natural. They swear by their healing properties. And it's not too expensive either. That's the nice part. As you can hear them over there building up the new locker rooms. All this back here, this mountain range, is called the Sleeping Giant, and there's all sorts of different faces you can see in it, and you know, different things you can make out of the rock formations. This is really relaxing and enjoyable. So Chris went and got a massage. I went and hung out with Sam a little bit and talked to him a bit. He invited me over to his auntie's house, which is just on the back of the springs here. And we sat down and had a cup of lemon tea and talked. Just friendly as can be. So far, all the Fijians we have met are super friendly, super nice. And we just talked about island life and what he's doing and where he's going to go. So far, I'm really glad we came here. Looks like there's a couple other people that came out. Check out the spa. And they're trying to set up their little souvenir booth there, little souvenirs. So we're just gonna finish waiting for Chris a little bit and then we're gonna get going. All right, so we went to Tifajik Mud Pools and Hot Springs. It's a little family-run thermal pool. I met a bunch of aunties and uncles and cousins and nieces and nephews. It's sort of the slow season, so we were actually the only people here this morning. But as you can see, you get all mudded up, and then there's 3 or 4 different hot pools. Chris really enjoyed her massage. An hour-long massage was $70 Fijian, which is like 30 bucks. So if you come to Fiji, I can't recommend this enough. It was a great time. Everybody here was super nice and friendly. I ended up talking to Sam, the guy who took us around to the different thermal pools. I talked to him while Chris got a massage. Really nice and friendly. Even brought me over to his auntie's house for a tea. We're gonna get moving along. I think we're gonna go check out the botanical garden here, but we'll let you know when we get to the next stop.